Hi guys, so today we're going to make part 1 of our piano dash game, and we're going to start with the characters and basic movement controls. So you're going to want to keep the cat sprite, make 2 of them, and in the first one you want it to go to here, negative 186 y, x negative 186, and y 94. Alright, and we're going to need to put the size to 50. And then sweep with put the size to 80. Negative 194 on the X is and Y66 is our final that's our final X and Y in position and size. So now you're going to want to put a forever loop. Then wait until this is for player 1, the up and down arrow keys, and then you get another wait until, put the one not block in the second and wait until block, and never mind, two of these up and down. Put them in there. Put a switch costume at the start of the code. Switch it to Cat A. In the middle of the wait until, put a switch costume and another switch costume. Set that switch costume to Cat A. And now you're going to code the movement. Change X by 5 on both of them. And make sure your code looks like this. I tested out, and then you put it into the second cat. Change some stuff. Change the Y to negative 18. Negative 18. Negative 20, actually. So let's change the weight until the left arrow and right arrow. I'm testing it out. And that's part 1 of our game. See you tomorrow, and next part we're going to do the background and wind conditions.